Hello superhero, welcome to another interesting class. Today we are going to be looking at the second phase of addition in algebra. Are you ready? Wow, I can't wait. Now the first example is this. It said write or say the answers. How many apples are there on both trees? Can you see this? Now let's count the number of apples on both trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 apples. Wow, do you see that? The next 1, 2, 3. Just 3 apples on both trees. Over to the next example. How many apples are there on both trees? This is just 1 and 1. 1 and what? 1. That will give us how many? Let's count 1, 2. So that will be 2. Do you see that? What about this other one? How many apples can you see here? None. No apples. So that means it's 0. So 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 apples altogether. Do you see that? Yes. Alright, the next down the line, it says, if you added another apple to the bowl, how many apples would there be? So I want to just add 1 apple. 1 more word, apple. So I have 3 apples and I will add just 1 in the plate. You like the apple I drew? Yes. So that means 3 apples plus the 1 I drew will give us how many apples altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. Very good. What about this one? Let me draw 1 apple inside the plate or the bowl and count 1, 2, 3. That means 2 apples that were there before plus the 1 I drew will give us 3 apples altogether. Very good. The next down the line is this. We have 4 apples. Now I'm going to draw 1, which is this. So I have 4 before plus the 1 I drew will give us how many? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 apples. Now what about this one? The bowl is empty. Empty. Nothing is there. That means it's 0. So 0 plus the 1 I'm going to draw inside. How many is there now? 1. Just 1 apple. 0 plus 1 is 1. Yes. So I have just 1 apple. Clap for yourself. Alright. Now the next is this. It said complete the number sentence for each problem. Are you ready? Now you have 2 toys and get 1 more. 1 more means you add 1. Now how many toys do you have after that? So you have 2 and you get 1 more. Let's say this is the 1 more. Alright. So how many toys do you have altogether? 1, 2, 3. So that means 2 toys before plus the 1 you later get will give us how many? 3 toys. Very good. Now the next example. There are 3 books on 1 shelf. There are 3 books on 1 shelf and 2 more books on another shelf. So 3 books on 1 shelf and 2 more. That means that we added 2. Alright, now how many books are there in all? First of all, I will draw my 2 more books. You see that? Yes. So 3 books plus how many? 2 more books. You give us how many books altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books in all together. Very good. Clap for yourself. Alright, the next down the line. Alright, it says you ate 1 cherry Then you ate 4 more cherries. So how many cherries did you eat? This is the 1 cherry you ate plus the 4 more. So let me draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you ate 1 before plus 4 more equal to how many cherries now? Let's count everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 more cherries. Very good. Now the next, you have your bike. A friend brings another bike to your house. So this is your own bike and your friend brings another bike to your house. This is your friend's bike to your house. Alright. Now how many bikes are at your house now? 1, 2. How did you get that? 1 bike in your house before plus your friend's bike, another 1 bike. You give us how many? 2. Very good. So 2 bikes are at your house now. Okay, the next example down the line. Wow, it's about even or odd. Now what are even numbers or odd numbers? Even numbers are numbers that can be paired into partners of 2 without any remainder or leftover. Okay, now let's take the first example. They said how many blue faces are here? So first of all, let's count the number of blue faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 blue faces. Now, is 11 an odd number or an even number? Well, let's share into partners of 2. 1, you see that is my partners of 2, another partner of 2, another partner of 2, that's 3 now, another partner of 2, another partner of 2. Wow, I have 1 left outside, looking for who to partner with. So that means this is not an even number. Instead, this is an odd number. So 11 is an odd number. Now what about the next? Let's share into partners of 2. 1, 2. I have 1 left, looking for a partner. That means this is also an odd number, not an even number. But how many faces are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 5 is also an odd number. It is not an even number. Alright, let's go to the next. Let's see if it's even. Wow, let's share into partners of 2. Are you set? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm done sharing or pairing into partners of 2. Alright, so I don't have any leftover or remainder. So that means this number is an even number. So how many octagons do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So that means 8 is an even number. Very good. That was so much fun. And that is going to be all for addition in algebra. Wow, it's been a long way. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Don't forget you have your quizzes and assignments to attempt. I'm waiting for your submission. I'll see you some other time. Stay safe. I love you. Bye.